Hey, gearheads! Welcome back to Autoverse Authority, your ultimate pit stop for the best automotive products out there. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best go-karts for kids that's turning heads and boosting performance. After hours of research and testing, I've handpicked the top choices for every kind of buyer, whether you're chasing value, performance, or unique feature. Links to these products with the latest deals are waiting for you in the description below. Smash that like button, drop a comment, and hit subscribe to fuel your passion for all things auto. Let's rev it up and get started. In our list, the number 1 product name is Hawk Batmobile Pedal Go-Kart. Hawk Batmobile Pedal Go-Kart is built for young children who enjoy superhero adventures and outdoor fun. Designed with a black exterior, this ride-on vehicle brings excitement for kids who like to imagine racing through the city like a hero. It offers the kind of motion that encourages active play while keeping children engaged both inside and outside the house. The go-kart is shaped with large rubber tires and racing-style pedals that help maintain smooth steering and easy movement. Kids can adjust their riding speed by pedaling faster or slower, giving them freedom while maintaining control. The setup allows young users to explore their surroundings in a way that is safe and interactive. An adjustable seat is included to help match the height of the growing child. This seat design adds flexibility, letting them enjoy the kart for several seasons. Built to match the energy of curious minds, the kart supports regular use on sidewalks, driveways, and smooth indoor areas. This go-kart is constructed using strong materials that are made to handle bumps, twists, and rough riding. The outer body holds up well against daily use and is meant to give children lasting entertainment. Boys and girls who like characters from comic books will find the Batmobile look appealing and fun to use during play. The size of the kart frame measures 44 by 21 by 22 inches and is crafted to provide a secure experience for young riders looking to enjoy their superhero moments. In our list, the number 2 product name is Radio Flyer Racing Kids Go-Kart. Radio Flyer Kids Go-Kart in red is designed to give young children an exciting outdoor ride experience. This go-kart suits riders between 3 and 8 years old and is powered by a 24-volt rechargeable battery, offering a fun and smooth ride. The bold color and racing flag add to its visual appeal, making it attractive for kids who enjoy outdoor movement and exploration. The kart includes multiple forward speeds, letting children experience different levels of motion. It offers a safe yet thrilling environment that encourages play without taking away comfort. An adjustable seat helps match different heights, allowing the same vehicle to be used as the child grows. Parents looking for peace of mind will appreciate that this kart includes control options to manage speed. A safety belt helps ensure that the child stays secure, and pedal-based operation encourages motor development while offering independent control. The rear wheels are large and stable, helping maintain strong traction across various surfaces. Their design supports drifting and turning, which keeps the ride adventurous. The reverse feature adds convenience for steering and backing up, giving kids more freedom to direct their path. Steering is supported by a well-balanced frame that helps children turn and navigate smoothly. The included battery charger makes recharging easy for repeated use. This ride-on vehicle is ideal for families who want their children to stay active while enjoying a secure and playful driving experience outdoors. In our list, the number 3 product name is Razor Dune Buggy Kids Go-Kart. The Razor Dune Buggy in red is designed for young riders who enjoy outdoor adventure. It operates using a powerful electric motor that allows children to explore different paths and surfaces with ease. Its construction focuses on delivering steady performance on uneven ground while keeping the rider in control throughout the ride. Built to carry a young individual up to 120 pounds, it maintains balance and strength across various outdoor environments. Its structure includes sturdy wheels that provide a steady experience across bumpy trails. The material used in the frame is designed to endure long periods of active riding. This electric dune buggy does not rely on fuel and can operate for around 40 minutes on a full charge, offering a dependable and eco-friendly option for recreation. The padded seat offers a secure place to sit while cruising through open areas. This off-road vehicle has been shaped to support a fun and safe outdoor ride. Riders can enjoy the ability to control speed and braking using easy-to-reach hand controls. The rear disc brake system adds extra support during sudden stops or steep rides. The height and size of the buggy make it compact enough for convenient storage, and its lightweight frame makes it simple to transport. Suitable for children aged 8 and above, the Razor Dune buggy provides both enjoyment and peace of mind to parents. The bright finish and added safety elements offer a great mix of fun, durability, and reliability for young thrill seekers. In our list, the number 4 product name is Carry UK 61 Electric Go-Kart. The Carry UK 61 Go-Kart electric drift kart car in blue is a ride-on toy designed for outdoor use by children between 6 and 12 years old. Its adjustable length seat makes it suitable for kids of various heights, allowing the go-kart to grow alongside the rider. This vehicle provides a stable and enjoyable experience on smooth or slightly uneven surfaces and is powered by an electric battery system that helps children enjoy longer playtime. With a solid steel frame and strong construction materials, the go-kart offers durability while keeping the overall design light enough for easy movement. The seat includes safety straps, helping young users feel secure while operating the vehicle. Foam tires contribute to smooth drifting without the need for regular air refills. These elements work together to provide control and help young drivers ride with confidence. Powered by a 240-volt battery and a 300-watt motor, this ride-on toy supports 4 different speed settings and can reach up to 8.5 miles per hour. It also includes added lighting to create a more exciting atmosphere. Background music can be played using Bluetooth, radio, or USB, creating an immersive environment for every young driver. This electric drift kart is shaped to give children a balance of excitement and safety. It encourages fun in an active way while keeping essential protective features in place. With proper care, including regular charging, the battery can maintain performance for many rides. In our list, the number 5 product name is Best Ride-On Car Licensed Go-Kart. The Best Ride-On Cars officially licensed McLaren Go-Kart 24-volt in black and orange is a unique option for older children who enjoy action and playful driving. Designed with racing fans in mind, this electric ride-on toy combines a sleek structure with practical controls that young drivers can operate with ease. It is built for children aged 6 years and above, providing a balanced mix of safety and thrill. With a steering wheel and a front bumper, the go-kart supports better control while helping kids feel more secure while moving. The strong axle system holds the frame together firmly, giving the kart strength for regular use. It includes key parts such as rear wheel fenders, air inlet seat, backrest, and a safety flag, all shaped to give a complete and exciting ride. The ride-on car can connect to music through Bluetooth or radio, letting young users listen to songs while playing. This feature keeps their time more engaging and fun. The model offers 2 modes for driving. Each mode suits different comfort levels, letting children choose how they want to enjoy the ride based on their skills. Designed to reflect the real McLaren style, this electric go-kart blends design and movement in a way that feels real but safe for kids. Parents can enjoy peace of mind while their child rides in a toy built with structure and care. Assembly is made simple through included tools and a guide for easy setup at home. Thanks for watching our full videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and check link the description below. Goodbye and take care. See you in the new video.